Hey guys, Greg Allen Jr. on today. Today I'll be shooting Brad's Tech, however the fuck it's pronounced. It's right there. Can't really see it, but it's A. Ross's A223 Remington. I said I just bought it, haven't did much research on it, but here it is. 223 also shoot the 5.56, so let's shoot it. Be hitting them targets down there. You see the three of them. Let me set this up. Targets are over there. Set the cam up right here. One bullet with the first one with 223, second one was 5.56. So that's the first time I shot that gun, so I think I might have missed. Missed that one. Looks like I scraped that one. See, I missed. That was the first time I shot that gun. Scope might be a little bit off, or I might be a little bit off. So I might try to sight the scope in a little bit, and then I'll make another video of me shooting it. But, yep, that's my new gun. First time shooting the 223s. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video when I finally get the scope sighted in. So, see y'all next time.